We are back out in the yard with Lake Erie Golf Cars, and we are now looking at a 2016 RXV gas. This one comes with headlights, as you can see on this new maroon body, as well as a brand new bumper and other accessories. It has a nice open dash, as well as some other features like turn signals, controlled on your multi-switch, as well as a horn, and you have your headlights and taillights, which are controlled by the turning switch as well. If you need to, you also have hazards right there in case you're in distress. Let's take a look underneath of the standard seats. You'll find a nice gas engine that'll get you going and get you moving all day, easy to refuel on the fly. If you need to transport a few extra passengers, it does have a folding rear seat that can be used for those passengers, or you could flip it open and you'll be able to use it to transport small cargo. Underneath of here is an open space for an optional wire basket insert. Please reach out to our parts department about it or speak to someone in sales. This has a 2-passenger top on it. However, if you did want to upgrade to a 4-passenger top to make sure that your other passengers are covered when you're driving, you could do so as well. If you're interested in a golf car like this, just go to LakeErieGolfCars.com or reach out to us at 216-763-2090 in the Cleveland area or 330-441-4920 in the Youngstown area. Thanks again for watching. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more golf carts.